Hi guys, I'm Bird. I know, I'm great at making first videos. Oh, I'm in a public. Whoopsies. As you can tell, I'm obviously amazing at making first videos, so, that's definitely why you should subscribe. Yeah.
You're gonna subscribe, right? Right?
This video gets 1 subscriber, I might make another video. That's pretty cool, right? This is Future Bird here. I kind of forgot to mention that what I do. I do 3D animation things. Like, I would put an example, but this is kind of my first video. So, just imagine a really cool 3D animation, and that's like definitely my content. Subscribe.